How to duplicate video in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can duplicate video clip in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Capcut app, and here you can see I am on this page. Now you have to click this import option and import a video, and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Once done, you have this clip over here, and now you want to duplicate video clip in Capcut PC. For example, you can just cut it over here by trimming it and split it. Now you have this clip and you have to duplicate it. Just click Ctrl C on your keyboard, or you can just select this clip, and here you have to right click on it and then click copy. Now you have to just click paste over here. You can press Ctrl V on your keyboard, and then you can just drag it over here. Or you can just click on this track, and then you have to just right click on it and then click paste, and it's going to just paste it over here. Now you can drag it down, or you can just let it be over there. And that's how you duplicate video clip in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.